I think of Peet Viljoen, passion for people, for justice, dedication. He will fight for you, but he will also help you to help yourself. And charming, very charming.
I have always despised injustice and unfairness. And the biggest injustice out there is that lawyers accept cases that they are not specializing in. What sets me apart as a law broker is that I'm best equipped after 18 years of practicing as a lawyer to appoint the right legal team to a specific problem.
When you need legal advice, you need someone who can understand the problem, someone that can explain it to you, and that can identify with you the fear and the uncertainty that accompanies it.
In all my years of practicing, I've always had the unique ability to address a problem in such a manner that you understand it. I've never understood why lawyers always had to use big words to impress clients. If your lawyer can't break it down to simple terms, you're just sitting with the wrong lawyer. If you appoint me as your law broker, in essence what it means is that I will source the best legal team for your problem. I will contract the amount in other words, what we quote is what you pay. So for the first time, there will be no hidden costs in legal cases.
This is what Peet does so brilliantly. He's tenacious. He never gives up. People respond to him in a way that goes beyond client-lawyer relationship. He makes them feel safe.
I became a law broker because I identified the need in the marketplace for problems to find specific lawyers. My law brokerage will find the right lawyer for your problem. We'll be there every step of the way, advising on the best way forward in every situation. And as you get horses for courses, it's the same in law. You can't take a divorce matter to a criminal lawyer, and you can't take a criminal matter to a liquidation specialist. And that's my job as a law broker, is to find you the right lawyer for your problem.
Starting and growing a business is tough enough without worrying about complying with all the legal requirements of a company. I simply did not have time to spend hours trying to work out the details of a contract while running the day-to-day operations of my company. I've worked with many lawyers in the past, but none of them showed the passion I felt when working with Peet Viljoen. From the cooperation agreement when we started out to the shareholder agreement we have now, Peet has always been available, able to assist us, and at a fixed cost that he quoted before we even started. I don't think I would be here if it wasn't for Peet.
I meet people on a daily basis with problems that seem huge from their perspective, but by helping them look at the problem from a different legal angle, the solution seems so much easier.
Going through a divorce is an emotional experience to begin with. Having someone represent you and offer you the correct advice makes dealing with the process a whole lot easier. And that's exactly what Peet Viljoen did for me. Specifically obtaining urgent financial relief pending my divorce. Peet explained to me the workings of Rule 43. Essentially, this means a divorce within a divorce. In layman's terms, I was able to get maintenance before the actual divorce proceedings started. This was obviously a big relief to me. I would recommend Peet Viljoen to anybody. He thinks differently than any other lawyer I've dealt with before.
Peet believes in sharing his knowledge. Not only can he help you, but he will also empower you to understand the problem as well as the solution.
We hear that from all our clients.
It's all about being on the winning side of the law.
And really helping people. And we love every minute of it.